Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. I know what you're thinking. Is that really Joe? Yes, it's me. With the barbershops closed, I had to cut my hair myself, and this is the end result. So on today's video, we're going to be smoking up some Texas style chicken on my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker. Stay tuned. You can see, look at this bark. It's crazy.
Oh man, this is perfect.
It helps to start with a nice sharp knife, okay?
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
All right, so I've got two 4.5 pound chickens here, and I'm gonna show you how to take the backbone off. Now, when I say Texas style, I'm not talking about salt and pepper. A Texas style chicken are usually half chickens, okay? So what I like to do is just start by taking off the backbone, start on the neck side of the chicken. You can kind of see the line of the back here. And I got some kitchen shears here, and I also have a knife, just in case sometimes the skin gets a little tough to cut through with the poultry shears, if you will. Okay, this thigh bone is a little tricky, so you're gonna have to really put some muscle behind it. There you go, not too bad. Again, I like to use my knife or have my knife handy just in case. There we go. And then turn it around, start on the tail side, and follow that backbone. And there we go. Just like that. Okay, the next step is to get these half chickens, these Texas style half chickens, right here where this breastbone is at, just cut it like that. And then go ahead and split it, just like that. Now, to get the half chicken, kind of spread the skin out, just like that, and you can see this line right in between the chicken breast right here. Okay, that's what we're going to cut. Okay. There you go. So now we have our two chicken heads. Real simple process. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one up and I'll bring you guys back. All right, so I've got both chickens split in half. Now the next thing I like to do is take off some of the excess fat that you see here. See this chunk of fat right here? Sometimes that won't render down, so just take your knife and take that off. There'll be extra pieces of skin like this. I like to take that off as well. Okay, just like that. Kind of take a good look at the chicken, see if there's any little extra pieces of fat that you want to trim off, and go ahead and trim them off right now, because sometimes this stuff doesn't render, okay? And that's nasty to bite into. Okay, so that looks good. And before we split the chicken, you saw how I was pushing the skin to the outside. Okay, that gives you all this extra skin so you can tuck under the chicken breast like that. I'm gonna clean these up and I'll bring you guys back. All right, so I've got my chicken cleaned up and I've got my Texas chicken. Again, this is how we cook our chickens or smoke our chickens out here in Texas. And also the IBCA competitive cooks, this is how they turn in their chicken, most of them. So what you wanna do is this skin will rise on you, okay? So one trick that you can do is just pull it back under the breast and put a toothpick there. If I can get it, there you go, and lay it flat, and that's going to hold or keep the chicken from coming up. I'm actually going to put two of them here so it holds down that skin. Also, right here on the thigh, okay, the skin will come up. It'll start to creep up on you, so you can just kind of fold it over, fold it on the bottom. Make sure you guys can see this. So fold it over, bottom of the chicken, and run your toothpick. Now, you have to remember that you have toothpicks on the chicken, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put toothpicks on the rest of these chickens, and we'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right, the chickens are ready. Now let's get to seasoning. The first rub, I'm using 2 rubs. This is the first one. This is Sexy Chicken from JP BBQ. The second one is one that I've really been wanting to use, is this butt kicking chicken from R Butts R Smokin. Okay, so it's 2 different style rubs, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So 2 of these are gonna get sauced with barbecue sauce as well, different barbecue sauces. So this is the first chicken. This is the JP BBQ Sexy Chicken, and this one has a lot of herbs. And I gotta tell you, it does have chicken written all over it, so you guys can see. Looks like it's got some oregano, some salt flakes, some pepper, probably some garlic. Man, it smells really herbaceous. Okay, I can tell you that, if that's a word. So just put enough of the rub. Okay, let's flip it over. Get into that wing. Just a light dusting. This is my favorite part of the chicken, aside from the breast. That's chicken wing. Okay, now I'm going to be placing these on these sheets here. These are actually pizza sheets. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to be able to fit all 4 chicken halves on this one sheet. So let me move this chicken over to my tray. There we go. Now this is the R Butts R Smokin chicken. Again, 2 totally different style rubs. Okay, this is more of a traditional type rub. Really good color. Man, this smells really good. So just like that. All right, I'm gonna go fire up my smoker, and we'll see you guys outside. Stay tuned. All right, so my pit is up to 275 degrees, and I've got the chicken on. And I gotta tell you, the rub from the R Butts R Smokin rub really melted in, and JP's barbecue rub is holding nice and steady. But look at that rub and how nice it kind of melted into that chicken. That's going to look beautiful once it's cooked. So I've got my probe on to the thigh, and I set a program. I'm going to go ahead and start the program, and it's going to run at 275 until the internal temperature of the chicken hits 155. And then after that, I want the smoker to kick up to 350 until that thigh is 170. Okay, so that's one of the nice things you can do with this drive program. So I'm going to shut the door. Let's get this cooking started. Stay tuned. All right, so we're just over an hour, and I just turned the pizza sheet here. That way these chickens right here get the equal heat treatment, because it does get a little bit hotter on this right side. And I have been spritzing with, I can't believe it's not butter, this stuff right here, just to keep that skin nice and moist, and it's also going to help crisp up the skin. I gotta tell you, this rub right here from R Butts R Smokin looks fantastic. This one from JP BBQ, man, it looks savage. This rub right here, both of these rubs have got to be good on anything poultry, like turkey, chicken, anything. So again, 142, about 8 more degrees. The smoker's going to kick up to 350 degrees, and it's going to run at 350 until the internal temperature is 170 degrees. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been exactly 2 hours, and the internal temperature of that chicken thigh hit 170. The only thing left to do is to apply some barbecue sauce. And the first sauce that I'm going to use is this Our House barbecue sauce. It's a rum barbecue sauce. Stuff is delicious. So I'm just going to pour it on the top, just like this. Oh yes. And the second sauce is actually JP Licious. Again, this is from JP BBQ. I'm going to put that on one of his chickens here. Just like that. That is going to be absolutely delicious. Now, I'm not worried about the barbecue sauce hitting the plate here. I do have foil, and any excess is just going to drain down into my grease bucket. So I'm going to let this sit for probably 5 more minutes. We'll see you guys inside. Stay tuned. All right, here's our beautiful chicken. I'm going to go ahead and take a little piece off the breast. This is the one with JP's rub. Okay. Look at that. Chicken is nice and crispy. And then I'm going to take a little piece of this one with JP's rub as well, but with some sauce. Get some of that skin on there. Man, this is really juicy. I don't know if you guys can make that out on the camera, but it's really juicy. Okay, and I've got a different fork just so I don't mix the flavors. This is the R Butts R Smokin butt kicking chicken. You see that? It like broke the seal to juiciness right there. I think I got all the toothpicks out. Yeah. And then the one with the butt kicking chicken and the House BBQ sauce. Man, this chicken looks amazing. Let's give it a taste. All right, let's give this awesome looking chicken a try. The first chicken that I'm gonna try is this R Butts R Smokin. Again, this is the kick butt chicken with no barbecue sauce. Here we go. Man, that rub's got a little bit of sweet to it. That chicken is absolutely delicious, guys. Now, same rub with the House rum barbecue sauce. One of my favorite sauces. Here we go. That combination is sinful. Wow. I don't know. I'm liking it without the sauce, and I'm liking it without the, or with the sauce as well. Now let's give JP's rub a try. That's that sexy chicken. Man, that's delicious too. Totally different flavor, but really good. Now the sexy chicken with the JP Delicious sauce. Look at how juicy that is. Here we go. Man, I'm really liking that sauce. You know, this sauce, I'm not a very big barbecue sauce fan because a lot of them are real thick. Now, both of these sauces are pretty thin, and I'm liking it. I know I love this one already, and it's absolutely delicious with this chicken. If I had to pick a winner, now, before I say this, both of them are fantastic, okay? I'm not gonna turn any of these down, but this R Butts R Smokin is absolutely delicious. I almost like it better without the sauce, but with the sauce, it kicks it up another level. This one is absolutely fantastic. I wouldn't turn any of these chickens down. JP, I can't believe I waited this long to use your rubs, but you're making a good product. Hope you guys like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Ask me any questions. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's BBQ. See ya.